10 nutritious steamed dishes that every woman should learn. The last one with great value. The first dish of the million is edamame. Good time. Here's a recipe for steamed meatballs with edamame. Everyone's taste. Delicious and juicy pork belly, priced at 8 yuan per pound, is skinned and first sliced into thick, thin slices. Then cut it into pomegranate-sized pieces and give it to the child. It's easy to chop a few times. Stir until the mixture becomes sticky, then add salt and pepper. Mix together light soy sauce, scallions, ginger, and Sichuan peppercorn water until well combined. Fall again. Place the washed edamame beans in a bowl. Add a little salt and appropriate amount of chicken bouillon. Spread water evenly over the meat, then squeeze the minced meat into small pieces. The glutinous rice balls were neatly arranged on top of the edamame. Steam for 15 minutes after the steamer is ready, and enjoy the delicious flavor. It's so delicious. If you like it, save this recipe and try making it yourself. Here's the second recipe I'll teach you how to make today. A garlic steamed pork rib recipe you can learn in no time. If your husband doesn't want to eat, just arrange for him to eat. It's especially delicious to add a spoonful of flour and some water to fresh pork ribs to wash them. Remove blood and excess impurities. Heat oil to release the aroma of minced garlic, then add salt, chicken bouillon, sugar, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir with a spoon. Mix well and pour over the ribs. Add a spoonful of cornstarch and use my left hand to rub it in. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. The rest of the text appears to be unrelated and likely refers to a separate dish. Marinated pork ribs with enoki mushrooms should be steamed for 20 minutes after the water boils. The bowl smelled so good. The whole building smelled it. Abel, smell the fragrance. Make this dish. Must. Close the door properly. These 3 dishes are what my maternal grandmother ate from the age of 3 to 80. Steamed beef with pickled mustard greens, a simple recipe you'll never get tired of. Nutritious, delicious, and perfect with rice. Sliced beef with sugar and pepper. Smoke. Marinating the beef in advance with oyster sauce, scallion, ginger, and water is key to making it tender and smooth. Adding a spoonful of cornstarch is also beneficial. I share every day. 1. Can I give a little red heart to the simple home-style dish? Please encourage me. Thank you so much. Eat on the top layer, oil lox and water, then spread them evenly on the bottom of a plate and pour on a packet of the juice I've been eating since childhood. Spread the vegetables evenly. Place them in a steamer over high heat. When the water boils, and steam for 5 or 6 minutes. This dish is very simple, but it's really delicious and goes down. Rice. I always prepare one of the 4 dishes for every family gathering. Steamed baby bok choy with garlic and vermicelli is both beautiful and delicious. You can get a dish for just 2 or 3 yuan. Starting with baby bok choy. Divide the pot into 4 parts. Add water, a small spoonful of salt, a little cooking oil, and bring to a boil. Add the baby bok choy. He likes watching videos quietly, but he'll still like them. Such people. The cutest. Hot. Remove from the water after 30 seconds. Arrange on a plate, and then place in a bowl of pre-soaked glass noodles. Add garlic. Mix together a spoonful of chopped chili peppers, half a spoonful of light soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, chicken bouillon, and sugar. Spread the sauce evenly over the glass noodles and bring to a boil. Gai da. Steam for 5 minutes, then sprinkle with chopped green onions. Pouring hot oil on flowers. If you like the fragrance, remember to save this recipe. When you have guests, remember to serve it to them as well. 5th. My family makes this mushroom and chicken stir-fry 3 times a week. It's more tender and flavorful than what you get in restaurants. Even better, it's easy to make, goes perfectly with rice, and is very easy to clean. Clean chicken pieces, soak shiitake mushrooms, red dates, goji berries, and a spoonful of salt, along with scallions, ginger, and water. 1 spoonful of white sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and 1 spoonful of cornstarch. Mix well and marinate for 20 minutes, then add a spoonful of cooking oil. Lock in moisture, bring water to a boil, and steam over high heat for 18 minutes. This mushroom and chicken stir-fry can be made in minutes, simple, nutritious, and delicious, so you'll never have to go out again. If you've eaten this at a restaurant, be sure to save this recipe and try making it yourself. 6th. Gwen. East Branch steamed fish is a popular and common dish enjoyed by many wealthy people. It's fragrant, delicious, and very tasty. Let's see how it is. Here's how it's done. First, cut the grass carp, which cost 8 yuan per pound, into evenly sized pieces. Put in a bowl minced garlic and ginger, spicy scallions. Pour hot oil over 18 fermented black beans to release their aroma. Then season with salt, chicken bouillon, and half a spoonful of light soy sauce. A spoonful of oyster sauce. Mix half a spoonful of cornstarch evenly and pour it over the chopped fish. Marinate the fish pieces in the sauce for 10 minutes. Bring the water to a boil in 5 minutes, then put it in the pot on high heat. I share a home-style dish every day, steamed for 8 minutes. You can click. Follow me next time. If you want to eat something, but don't know how to cook it, you can still find me. Just add chopped green onions to the hot oil, pour it over the fish, and it's ready to eat. Grass carp has tender, delicious, and rich flavor. If you like it, save this recipe and try making it yourself. The 7th dish is made when it's too hot to eat. Steamed meatloaf with pumpkin slices. Add cooking wine, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce to the minced meat when plating. Salt, chicken essence, pepper powder. Mix well and put the minced meat into a bowl. To decorate, add a yolk egg and steam in a pot for 15 minutes after the steam rises. After steaming, drizzle with steamed fish soy sauce, sprinkle with chopped green onions, and pour hot oil over it. Learn this recipe, and your family will praise you as a master chef. Quickly save it. Pay attention to the 8th recipe. I'm really good at it. Unexpected. Just pour the spinach into the eggs and mix it up, and it turns out so delicious. Eat this. I believe this approach. I believe many people have never eaten it, let alone seen it. Add a spoonful of salt to boiling water in a pot. Adding cooking oil to spinach can keep it bright green and prevent it from turning sour. A yellow heart is just a small gesture for you, but for me, this is a tremendous support today. The View. Please click on the free link if you have a video. Thank you everyone for your hard work. Little red hearts. Blanch for 25 seconds and then remove. Squeeze out the water. Chop the eggs and set aside. Crack 5 smart eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. Take a small bowl of water, add a pinch of salt and a little starch, according to your preference. Adding more water will make the eggs more tender, while adding less water will make them more tender. It's the legendary cornstarch slurry poured into egg liquid. Stir well, skim off any foam. Then add the spinach and stir again. Finally, wrap it in plastic wrap and steam it in a steamer over boiling water for about 15 minutes. Add minced garlic and scallions to the dish. A delicious dipping sauce made with peanuts, aged vinegar, and a touch of chili oil is ready. After steaming the eggs, cut them into your desired shapes and arrange them on a plate. This spinach and egg dish has a beautiful presentation and is incredibly delicious, with a fresh, smooth, and tender texture. Learn how to make it. You should save this and try it out. The 9th dish involves steaming pork belly and rice together, a method you've probably never seen before. Moreover, the pork belly steamed this way has a rich rice aroma and isn't greasy at all. Cut the pork belly into thick slices. A red heart for you. It was just a small favor. Just saying it can make me happy all day. Please click free on this video. Thank you everyone for the little red heart. Also, prepare another cucumber and cut it into pieces. Thinly sliced meat paired with cucumber like this. The taste. More refreshing and non-greasy. Add to bowl. Minced garlic, chopped scallions, and chopped chili peppers are heated in hot oil to release their aroma. A suitable amount of white vinegar is then added and stirred well. Yes, not a simple garlic pork belly. This method is simple, refreshing, and not greasy, making it perfect for hot weather. If you like this recipe, follow me and save it to make it yourself. For the 10th dish, please pay attention. Put glutinous rice into the minced meat and steam it. Surprisingly, this is a must-eat dish during festivals and holidays, and many people live to be 80. I had never eaten this before when I was 8 years old. It was really delicious. Recommended to bookmark. First, soak the leftover glutinous rice from last year in my tap water. Then add the meat. Chop finely and put in a bowl. Add soaked glutinous rice, diced carrots, and small corn kernels. Season with chopped green onions, a little salt, chicken bouillon, sugar, and light soy sauce. I used my hands to grab the oyster sauce. Mix. Many people like evenness. He watches videos quietly, but he will stare at the screen. Quietly give a like. The person is so cute. Add 2 more naturally laid eggs and mix well. This method is so delicious that even picky eaters will love it. Take a small piece and use my hands form. Place a round ball on the plate. Steam the glutinous rice meatballs over high heat for 20 minutes after the water boils and steam rises. Fragrant, tender, beautiful, and delicious. One-pot meals are simple and easy to make. If you like it, you can make it. Give it a like and save it to your favorites.